I'm Steve Moreland. I'm candidate for re-election to the office of Hampshire County Prosecuting Attorney. I've been prosecuting attorney for 20 years. I'm running for my sixth term. Prior to that, I was an assistant prosecuting attorney for 8 years. So I've been serving the people of Hampshire County since 1985 in this capacity, either as prosecutor or assistant. I'm a graduate of WVU School of Journalism. Graduated from law school at WVU in 1979, and I've been practicing law since that time. Up until 2004, I was also able to maintain a private law practice. So I do have a background in real estate law, family law, and just the general practice of law in addition to criminal matters. Well, I would like to just continue to maintain the integrity of our office. I think we have a very good staff and assistant. Uh, we handle all criminal matters, of course, for the state and the county, both in circuit court and magistrate court. We represent the Department of Health and Human Resources in child abuse and neglect cases. I also serve as a legal advisor to the Hampshire County Commission and all the other county offices and agencies. I think we do a good job in doing that. So I would just simply like to maintain the practices and procedures that we have. I believe we're very dedicated and care a great deal about what we're doing. I believe it is. The county commission, the present commission, as well as the past commissions that I've worked with have always been very supportive of our office and have been very responsive in providing for our needs, just in a general way, and also if there are any special expenditures that we need. As I indicated, they've always been very responsive and supportive in that regard. We have a broad range of practice and duties. You know, a lot of folks think it's the prosecuting attorney's sole duty to put people in jail. But we have a great deal of situations where we have to make a judgment call or exercise discretion in how a case is handled, how a case indeed is prosecuted. We have to take into consideration the strengths of a case or the relative weaknesses perhaps of a case. In handling criminal matters, we at all times try to take into consideration the desires of the victims, whether it be a simple theft or whether it be a sexual assault or a more serious child abuse case or a case involving physical injuries. We also take into consideration the wishes, desires, or positions of the law enforcement officers who have investigated the cases, and I think that's very important to do that. So it's a broad range of factors go into to how you handle a particular case, or indeed just the duties in general. I'm originally from Hampshire County, went to school here in Hampshire County, graduated from Hampshire High School in 1972. We just recently had our 40th alumni gathering. I came back to Romney, started practicing in 1979, worked with William Oates, who was an attorney here at the time, has since passed away. I worked for Mr. Oates for a year. Then my wife at the time and I had a private law practice for a number of years. I have two adult children that I'm really proud of, and sort of feel like that's maybe my most important life accomplishment. And as I indicated, other than about a year and a half back in the 80s, when I lived in Mason County working for my former brother-in-law, I have practiced here in Hampshire County all of my career, and look at the prosecutor's office as again sort of my life's work, and my legal career has spent mostly in serving the people of Hampshire County. Okay. I have served as prosecuting attorney for 20 years. I feel like I've done a very good job at it, and really enjoy working for the people, so to speak. I consider it a real privilege, and as I indicated, it has been my career, and means a great deal to me, and I'm more than prepared to continue serving in that capacity.